Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not responding in Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8 and Windows 7. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. It is obvious that Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers over the world. Although the majority of users phrase Google Chrome as a high-speed, stable, and credible browser, it doesn't mean that Google Chrome would not go wrong under no circumstances. Sometimes it will freeze, crash, or stop responding. Now I am going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not responding in Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7 computer. Go to this PC. Now click on C drive. Click on program files. Click on Google. Now click on Chrome. Click on applications. Now right click on chrome.exe. Now expand send and then click on desktop create shortcut. Close File Explorer. Look, this on the Google Chrome shortcuts. Hopefully this will fix your issue. Now open Google Chrome. Hopefully it will open your Google Chrome browser. Your problem has been solved. Now you can rename it only Chrome. Okay. Now if you want to open your Google Chrome from taskbar, now unpin previous Google Chrome browser, right click on Google Chrome, click on unpin from taskbar. Okay, now drag your Google Chrome browser and drop in taskbar. Okay, now it will be easy to run Google Chrome from taskbar. Click on Google Chrome. Look, Google Chrome is opening. Look, it is working. If this is not working, you have to go for second solution. Click on search bar and type CMD. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Command prompt has been opened as administrator. Now type ipconfig space slash flash DNS. This command will clear all DNS resolver cache. Now hit enter. Successfully finished the DNS resolver cache. Okay, now the second command, netsh winsock reset. Hit enter and successfully reset the winsock catalog, and you must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. Okay, now close command prompt and click on start menu. Click on power icon. Now click on restart. Hope this will solve your issues on Google Chrome. If your problem is still persist, you have to go for next solution. That is, you have to allow Google Chrome app from Firewall. Okay, now right click on the Start menu, click on Run, and type control firewall.cpl. Click OK. Now click on Allow apps. Now scroll down. You have to check Google Chrome is allowed in private and public network. You have to ensure it that it is allowed. And if your Google Chrome browser is not here, you have to import it by clicking on here. Go to C drive and program files and go to Chrome application and Google Chrome.exe. Now click on OK. And in this way, you have to add Google Chrome in Firewall and you have to allow it in private and public network. Now click on OK to close Firewall. Click Firewall browser. Hope this will solve your problem. If your problem is still persist, you have to go for next solution. You have to disable proxy settings from your settings. Now click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Network. Now click on Proxy. Now disable proxy settings. Proxy automatically, and you have to ensure that use proxy server is turned off. Now close settings window. Hopes this will also help to resolve your issues. Sometimes browser cache create problem to respond Google Chrome. That's why you need to clear browser data. Open Google Chrome. Click on three dot icons on upper left corner. Now click on More Tools and click on Clear Browser Cache. Now click on Advanced. Then select all types of browser cache. Now click on Clear Data. Okay, browser cache has been deleted. Now close your Google Chrome. Sometimes backdated browser data may be cause for not responding or not working Google Chrome. Again, click on three dot icon at upper corner. Now click on Help and then About Google Chrome. And look, Google Chrome is updating. Update completed 100%. Now you can close your Google Chrome browser. You can easily solve Google Chrome not responding problem by restore original default. Click on three dot icon and then click on settings. Now click on advanced. Scroll down. Click on restore default and select restore the original default. Click on here and now click on restore default. Now the original default settings has been restored. Hope it will solve your issue. Now you can check whether Google Chrome is responding or not. Open another tab. Now in search bar type something you want to browse. Now I am searching fiber. Look, now Google Chrome is responding and working, and I am finding the search result, and I can browse the website. Look, Google Chrome is working right now. Okay, now close browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.